GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
Itiski TV, Itiski Time. Ebafethu kunjani? My name is Junior Thabo Khanye ngiphethe uTsovila Gazi. Without waste isikhathi, so igembe enjani for TS Galaxy versus Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, I think we'll say when chairman my chairman
Gazi.
Bulus Mr. Nkeo, Steezy, Bobo Cardoso, Nolindo Mkwena, Chucks and Chucks, Nomhlekazi omhle. Ongasukuphupa ngecawe. Yazi masibona wena Shane mele siguqa ngamadolo ndoda sikuhloniphe ndoda. Phela team enkulu wenile phela izolo so mele simhloniphe uShane. Nginibulisa nani emakhaya. Ngicela support njalo la Itiski TV. Ngizobeka njengoba injalo ngichiki futhi. Junior, look Chiefs I think they just need to blame themselves. The game was there for them. They've played very well. I think after quite some time seeing Chiefs putting pressure. Remember, Junior, this is not just a team that they were playing against. It's a team that will always give all the big teams a headache. It takes Galaxy. When you ask Pirates, they will tell you. Ask Sundowns, they will tell you. Even your Chiefs, they had to come up with a plan to frustrate ETS Galaxy, not to give them that room of theirs that they normally have in terms of playing, finding spaces in the midfield. And they were confused. And I like what Chiefs they did because I think they expected Chiefs to play with 3 midfielders. And now they find that Chiefs are playing with 2 midfielders, they play with 2 strikers. So now TS Galaxy were confused. How should we now put things together? Because now that means it's 1-on-1 at the back. And now again here in the midfield, we can't find those spaces because the extra man now needs to drop back to come and pick the other striker. So that means you have a Mainasa now in the midfield. They have to stay with 2. Umaduna, Lapana, mid lane. Yes, at some point they will get the ball, but they didn't have Kaizer Chiefs anyway. Kaizer Chiefs, they were the ones that were creating chances. I hope Umtu is going to find his feet next year because I think he had a chance of bearing Elon Tuzana, ETS Galaxy. The same applies the assistant referee. Otinaye Ulontuzano Silva with that goal at the offside first half. But I think it was a good game and for Kaizer Chiefs. But the last 4 minutes first half, TS Galaxy, they look like now this is the TS Galaxy that we know. Same applies second half. Same thing. Chiefs, they need to make changes. And as I even said, Kukulego, you see, as Bafa Dunyan or something, yeah. The captain, TS Galaxy, Umbonja, defender. Because the Chiefs are playing with 2 strikers. So now they need somebody to come and pick the other striker so that they can have a sweeper. And it put TS Galaxy on the back foot.
Yeah, so well done to a wonderful game. Both teams, I think, well done. Basfuga is a beautiful game like this. Man, beautiful game. And Kazuguchi, entertaining game. Well done to side in the Kaizer Chiefs. I think the Chiefs yonke. If vice versa, man, in Tabazenza, if they play beautiful, they don't win games. If they play ugly, they win games. Vice versa. It's confusing. Everybody functioned today. Yeah. I think it was sort of a system team. Did very well. Everybody came to the party. Yeah. As we show, Baba surprised, I think TS Galaxy, but like 4-4-2, or I can say 4-4-1-1. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. But now, if they are themselves to be playing, I don't think they are aggressive enough. They were aggressive enough in front of Ipali to punish. Mabomtu, if Chola Machansan Janga punish, expect to play go off corner, they're not going to. Two chances like that, you work for a true boy. I think everybody, if you score there, change of the game. Chiefs on 1-2. His name is there. Chance layer. Well done to Matlo as well. Yes. I know with Tumfana. It's not a player that I can say can carry Kaizer Chiefs, the attacking player that can kill Kaizer Chiefs. Well done also to this guy, Omabuye from Sundowns. Nyazbuzu with Sundowns, quality brought another dimension. Yeah. Chiefs, very different team since the guys arrived. Kuluma cover distance, he hardly tackle, he won. Winama ball very clean. Second ball he won it. Decision making, play always forward pass, break ama window. Well done to the guy. But told number 6 Nandi, they just need a proper 2 attacking midfielders, which is much on some complimentary. Well done to him. When a Paul break it, la pasha pulley window. Unfortunate to Silva. When he scored there, Urivrati it's offside. It's not offside, it's a goal. For me, I think Uriv got it wrong. Nkulmang ulineman na umelainin. I think ulana bekumela mbizo Urivrati no balkombe a center. Cheers Karas they offered nothing. It's this is one of the favorite team I'm there too. Competitive Premiership they play top class players, unknown players, technically very good. They playing intensity high. They can knock the ball in intensity high. They can stop the game. They can score goals. They beat these high teams. Competitive Premiership. So it Chiefs today, they were on top of their game from the first whistle until the last whistle. So well done to Chiefs. Unfortunately, they throw the game. Maybe by throw. As Nisho, they were not aggressive enough in front of the party. Tactical change from the coach. Niboni the second half to Bapringer. I saw he brought this guy Ulili Epo. He also brought Velepai. Velepai, very dynamic player. But better than 2. Because now you need to bring something coach he brought another dimension in the guy. Well done also Mayo ukushala pockets on the box. And Silva namhla a different player na ngibona dynamism yakhe ngifuna ubona more. Angitmele sincome. Ngimbone akwazi ukurana off the ball. But TS Galaxy, to tell the truth, didn't come to the party. But baze bangabi to the party, Chiefs bapushile, they put them under pressure. Press them there up front from like it build up and well on to Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately, they came playing a draw, but Chiefs still need to start winning games now. But we are going to draw Kumbule against the Zamalek. So.
Yeah, look, Junior, I will say one step at the time. I think the Chiefs today, bang surprised. I was so surprised to see them playing 4-4-2. How they put pressure in that defense, TS Galaxy. They couldn't get the ball from the back to the midfielders. Their normal play didn't happen today. And well done to the game plan of the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs, because sometimes you need to plan and you play according to your strength again. And this Silva, Silva, he's gonna score goals. Juna, just take my word. He just need players to understand him, because one thing that I like, when you need him, he's available to come and have a touch, and then he goes back there. Then now what he needs is, if you're using the width, then make sure that you guys on the width try to find him. He's making good runs. Look at the offside. Look at the runner Yensil. He went behind the defense. Wangana Pambilwa Wayalapana. Mayo also, he makes, today Chiefs, they played very well. And I hope they will build from this. It's just that now it's a break. I hope they will come next year and right with the same spirit.
What I love, Amasapa very bench in the fun of Velepai, he came and changed the game as well. Did very well, the boy. Not much of him. I'm full compliment of Fanabo Silva. He did well, Namsanje, but the TS Galaxy now, they were flat, if I can be honest. Making wrong moves. No, they don't have confidence to each other from one another. TS Galaxy surprisingly to them, making silly mistake. First half Chiefs, I think they had the game in their hands. Second half, yes, kuna moment Chiefs. I think we bring Umbinjane, ngoba TS Galaxy badlala 5-4-1 or 5-3-2. I can put it that way. They were short in the middle. I think by pusher. I think somebody, but don't say, if I'm not mistaken, but don't say center back one Bafagumbunjane in the middle field. Now they're starting at least making it difficult for Chiefs. The Chiefs here wide. Second half. Chiefs, every time they go wide, bafuna cross the ball. They don't go central. Mabuye Ambon with nice playing under instruction. Very good player, top class player. But in Sasha Manuni Muntabazum compliment. I believe Chiefs. So if they be no number 10 players say Serino go be a corner game, you could have won the game for me, Serino. Because they need those type of players who can win games. Player 30 game, not everybody can play. Again, in a system. Sometimes, yes, I understand coach plays a major role, tactics. But sometimes game you need 1 or 2 players that will come and win the game. But if I can be honest, Chiefs played very well. They did very well. TX Galaxy didn't come to the part, but they were forced. Chiefs, they were on top of the game. Body language, I love it. Because the Chiefs from the first whistle. When they come back, surprises next year how they're gonna respond. But Mabuye mfethu big fish ngisasho namanje. Chiefs got a big fish angazi Sundowns release kanjani Mabuye. Ngisazibuza ama question. I'm sure nabo they regret as we speak now because Mabuye some of the players Sundowns they've got there I don't think they are on top of Mabuye, if not the same. Mabuye mfethu quality player. But well done for Chiefs spotting that and bring him. Mfethu let's change dimension. I'm talking about let's change dimension.
Well done to the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs. Well done to the boys. I think everyone at Chiefs family, they'll be happy. After how they display today. And Maboya, Matlo, after a long time, you've shown quality, always showing up, playing those crucial passes when it's needed. And for me, they just need to keep up in terms of working. I'm a coach for life. It is good TV, it is good times, well sports betting.
Shapunjan Bafuyethu Ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafuyethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.